nothing to do. I'm hanging around. I'm waiting for you, but nothing ever happens and Oh, from where you got that, Simon? Is it a poem? You know, when I was high school, I loved to write a poem. And then when I'm getting old, no more. Godzilla, hello. Welcome. Amna kisiho. Lemon Tree lyrics. Ah, okay. I cannot memorize, but I know that song, but I cannot memorize the song. Jan, he sent me that video actually with the, I think that's Japanese girl, a kid cover. Thank you so much. Hi, Kira. Hello, Kira. Welcome, Kira. Did you get sleep? I think you got sleep, Kira. Am I right? Raining in the UK. I thought it's so hot here. I thought it's so hot there, Simon, but it's raining. She goes by. Wakas Ahmad. Hello, welcome, Wakas Ahmad. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe for those who are new, guys. Thank you. God bless you all. I came from Philippines. Kara, Simon is there. Kara, I know you miss Simon. Kara, Simon is there. He will send me an email for his Telegram. Same to you, Wakas Ahmad. Stay blessed. God bless you. I'm trying to read, Sis Amna. Zico to Sweden, welcome back. Thank you so much. Good morning. I'm from Florida, Miami, US. Because your name looks like Muslim. And you said you are in Florida, Miami. I'm already old, Wakas Ahmad. I think better I will call your name as Ahmad, right? I thought maybe Simon was just watching Olympics. We had rain all last week here and a hurricane 3 weeks ago. I never experienced this hurricane. How to pronounce that? Bo? No, I was awake. Okay. I sent you message, Kara. Sorry, I replied you late because I think I was in the washroom when you sent me a message. You read very well, Kisiho. Kisiho Amna. Yes, is that Ordo? I think it's Indian, right? No, actually, Sis Amna, you know, like Kisiho is not new for me because I have also one Indian girl working with me. You know, at work, we have different nationalities. Same as a typhoon. Okay, Jan, okay. Are you talking to me, Wakas? I'm a girl. Yes, Kara is a girl, Wakas. Are you Muslim, Ahmad? Wakas Ahmad? Nice. If you are Muslim, Kira is also Muslim. Desert Leon, his name is Joseph. He is also Muslim. And Amna, for sure, she is also Muslim. So, thank you so much, everyone. God bless us all. No, I came from Philippines, Wakas Ahmad. I'm not from US. From US is John White, Bobo. Simon is from UK. I wonder why. Yesterday you told me about the blue sky. I cannot memorize the song, but I know the song. How are you, Kara? Kara is from Albania, Sis Amna. Yeah, she write it there, sorry. Thank you so much.